This is a 2005 Acura RL. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a power moonroof, heated front seats, a 10-speaker audio system, satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, xenon headlights, leather seats, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. Not to mention that this Acura qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.